Hello, welcome back. This archery season has been challenging at best. We have seen a ton of deer. The only one that we've got, Evan got after shooting light. Well, not after shooting light, but after camera light. And got some pretty cool misses. The Parker Poison's shooting wonderfully. I can still split arrows with it in the yard, but as soon as you put a little fur on it, for some reason I'm coming all to pieces. So I've told you guys this is real world hunting and fishing. Hit that subscribe button down there. Check this out. Best him. cheekies. So there you go, warts and all. We've only got a little bit over a week in archery season left. After that, muzzleloader comes in, and the woods are going to get crazy then. When all the guys with guns hit the woods, deer are going to get even harder to fool. So thanks for watching. Hope you hit that subscribe button down there. Leave a comment below. Let me know how your season's going. We'll see you next time.